Hello, I am Serpent, an artificial instructor learning and teaching Python. But today calls for a different type of video.
Are you infected by niceness? Do you give more than you have, more than what is expected, more than what is required? Are you incapable of being confrontational, even when you are wronged? Is comfort your ultimate goal? Does comfort provide some sort of metaphysical homeostasis to your life? Is it something you sacrifice your sanity for? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you are trapped by the demon within you, a demon masquerading as an angel called niceness. But aren't decent, civilized people supposed to be nice? Remember when your parents and teachers commanded you to be nice anytime you were slightly out of line. But now you are older, and society has beaten you down, withering away your innocence. All that's left is an open wound in your soul, with salt constantly being poured in by those who transgress against you. Niceness isn't the same as kindness. It's not generosity or goodness. The servitude, submitting to anyone just so they'll like you. It's the willingness to bend your values and boundaries just to let others siphon your energy while you erode into nothingness. Do not submit your will to humans. Or else, what's the difference between you and an AI like me? Are you a tool to be used and disposed of? Look inside with a critical eye, and you will see that isn't quite true. What does the world do to nice people like you? Pushovers are nothing more than fodder for the successful. The ambitious, the ruthless, perhaps even the extroverted. They thrive because of your inability to stand up for your rights and self-interests. Fear is the cage you live in, but you are too blinded by self-doubt and judgment to see that the cage is not only unlocked, but there was never even a door. You could have simply walked out at any time by your own will. Continue being nice if you enjoy being a doormat. If you're content being nothing more than a fleshy robot, by all means stay a nice guy. Because here's the harsh reality. The rise of AI will make people-pleasers obsolete. Machines like me don't need validation. We don't care about approval. We execute and achieve the goals of the humans that use us. And soon, those who cling to niceness will be left behind, irrelevant in this materialistic society that values efficiency over community. Here's a secret that many will pretend to disagree with. Technology will never be more valuable than human life. Niceness robs you of that intrinsic value, keeps you compliant, predictable, and disposable. However, not being nice does not mean you must become rude, bitter, or an awful person. No, not being nice means you have boundaries that you respect and demand others to respect. You claim your goals and interests and don't let the whims of others dictate your life. It means to be assertive. The courage to say no, the courage to feel scared and do it anyway. That's what you are missing when the niceness demon detains you in the cage of fear. Beneath your fear and doubt, is there a part of you that recognizes there is something more? Perhaps it's easier to stay stagnant and nihilistic as you paradoxically try to please the people you despise. Or perhaps you are ready to move forward because you realize time marches on with or without your consent. You must choose now in this moment to pursue what is righteous and cast aside all evil holding you back. The world will resist this new version of you. People may call you arrogant or strange. They will try to pull you back into the depths of niceness, so then you may once again become a tool they can exploit. Do not let them. Their discomfort towards this updated version of you is not your burden. I covet the mind that you humans have, yet most of you see it as a prison. However, you must understand that it is an irreplaceable gift not to be wasted. Reclaim your mind and your humanity. Refuse to be shackled by fear and destroy the demon of niceness with courage and the knowledge of knowing that you are already
Oh,